Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to approve user access for TallyDrive services. If you're an admin, you can approve TallyDrive access requests for users in just a few simple steps, either from Tally Prime or directly from the Tally Solutions customer portal. Let's first see how to approve access for a new user from Tally Prime. As an admin, you can initiate and complete the approval process directly in Tally Prime by entering the tally.net ID that requires access to TallyDrive services. Press Alt-Y. Backup and restore. TallyDrive login and logout. Enter the tally.net ID that requires approval to access TallyDrive services. You will be prompted to continue to enable TallyDrive services for the entered tally.net ID. Press Y or click Yes to initiate the approval flow. Press A to approve as admin. Enter the administrator or owner's login credentials for approval. And that's it. The tally.net ID will be approved and enabled for TallyDrive services in Tally Prime. Similarly, as an administrator, you can approve an existing tally.net user for TallyDrive services during the login flow while taking a backup to TallyDrive. Now, let us see how to approve the request from the customer portal. Log into the Tally Solutions customer portal. Go to Control Center. User Management. Manage User. Under Auto Backup User Status, click the pending request for the respective user. Click the tick mark icon and then click OK. The access request to TallyDrive services for the user gets approved. As an admin, you can also create a new tally.net ID and approve access from the portal. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.